Hey guys, what's going on YouTube? This is A Cordova Reviews coming to you with the new video. First of all, I like to apologize to you guys because I was gonna post a while ago, a couple of days ago, maybe a week ago, but I just been busy. I've been going out to the stores and to my little spots that I usually go to get some CO product to open with you guys for this channel. And I found this Lucario Mega Evolution Box ETB, so we're gonna open that one up and see what's up. Hopefully we get some good new hits, or new good hits, or whatever you want to put it. And I want to shout out, because I know some of my students are watching me. DG, guys, go show some love to his channel. He's one of my students, so check him out, and hope you're doing well and enjoying your summer. To all the kiddos that are watching me, I want to thank you. You guys are amazing. I hope you guys having a great summer. Always remember, keep your head up. Always be the best that you can be and shine. That's one of the things that I tell my kiddos. Shine everywhere you go. Shine. Okay, you are very smart and you are amazing. All my kiddos and all my viewers, younger, whatever viewers are looking at my videos, hey man, you guys are amazing. Let's get on with the video. I've been talking a little bit too much. But if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, and turn on your post notifications on so that you could know when I post new videos. I just got my little setup right here. It's pretty cool. I love Ninja Turtles. I do. You can see the foot soldier here. I got Bebop and Rocksteady, but you can only see one. Krang and Shredder. I got some more product for you guys. I'm gonna open this one in the future, and I have another box that I'm gonna open. These are some big boxes. The only reason I'm opening this one is because it tore. I was supposed to keep it sealed, and I was, but it tore, so I'm like, it's some more product for us. But meanwhile, I'm just gonna open this one. So let's go ahead and open it up. See what's up. This is the Lucario one, okay, guys? This is the Lucario one. And it has a promo too, right here. It has a promo. Please be safe. I'm using an X-Acto knife. I'm sorry. This is a promo. We're gonna see what the promo is. Yeah. So let's go ahead and do that, okay? Open it. Just open it. I'm gonna open this off camera. Not off camera. Just to the side. Ready? This is the seal. It's closed. This is the seal. I'm opening it up with all the love and support that you guys give me. Thank you. I reached 41 subscribers, and I am very genuinely happy. Oh, this is a nice box. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. It's pretty cool, huh? That's pretty neat. Huh? That is so cool. Wow. Give it a little bit of time to enjoy the box. It looks very pretty. My camera is a little shaky because I'm doing it on my phone. So I'm sorry about that. If it shakes, it's not you guys, it's my phone. My setup. It's a basic, simple setup. So yeah. Anyway, so I hope you guys understand. I'm gonna put my X-Acto knife away. Okay, so check this out. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Oh, wrong side. So this is the box. They keep making these more reduced, so that's actually pretty cool. So that's what comes there. Here you can see it's the sleeves. So yeah, the sleeves pretty cool. And the coin too, I think it is. The coin, pretty cool, huh? Oh, backwards. Pretty cool coin. Oh, I love that blue. It's pretty cool. Yes, I got a couple little things in the back here. A couple of cards. If you guys know what it is, Let me know what's up. Pretty cool, huh? I'm gonna put this back. It's pretty cool too. Look at that. That's cool. Back in the box. Let me see. Give me a second, guys. So this is the promo. This is the promo. Oh, Lucario. Pretty cool, huh? I like that Lucario. Hopefully you can see it. Focus. Come on, guys. Focus, focus. It's pretty cool. Shredder's cape is flying. That's funny. The Shredder cape is flowing. Some dice. That's it. So let me put that together, guys. Let me move that out of the way. And let's take this out. Okay. Cool, cool. Okay. So let's see what's up. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more of the camera in there. Okay, guys? Okay, cool. That is so cool. Okay. So how many packs do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we go, here we go. Foot soldier, please stay there. Do not fall. Foot soldiers, please stay there. Do not come to life, please. This is not Toy Story. So, yeah. Do not come to life, please. This is the code, guys, if you do play online. Here we go. Oh, backwards. Okay, here we go. We got okay, my pronunciation is not right. Rabot, okay. Ivysaur, I do know this one. This is pretty cool. It's one of my top 3. So cute. The ball, Ultra Ball. That's pretty cool too. If my hand placement is not correct, guys, I'm sorry. So here we go. Turn growth. If you guys know the name of the cards, please bear with me. Okay. I like Gladios, man. Gladios is bad. That's cool. Yeah, the placement on my hands, guys, I'm sorry about that. It's my fault. So Wally's compassion. Look, he looks so cute, man. Right? I think so. That's a funny one. Stuff. Ooh, Mega Garvo EX. We got a hit, guys. Check that out. We got a hit. Yay! We got a hit. Awesome. That's so cool. Look at that. One hit. Nice. And then we got the water. Okay. All right. So far, one hit. Nice. Let me open this. Place it here. Close the code for you guys. Enjoy. Okay, this power. I don't know how you pronounce that. Numwell. Italian, that's pretty cool. Italian is pretty cool. Sorry, it's okay. Shuckler, man, it got me. This is pretty cool. Cool. And that's it. Pretty cool, huh, guys? Not bad. Not bad. We have one hit. Not bad. Not bad, right? Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. There goes the code. Enjoy. Have fun. Ooh, that's cute. Oh, missed one. stuff. That's funny. Celebi, I like Celebi. It's pretty cool. So I hope you guys having a good summer. I really do. Ah, I like him too. It's pretty cool. Steelix. This evolves to this. Steelix is pretty cool, guys. It's really cool. I was trying to make him a little bit better for that pile. There we go. Okay, guys, this is gonna be our last pack for the video. So here we go. I wouldn't say last pack magic because we have 4 more. But hey, man, magic is magic, right? Here goes the code for you guys. Enjoy, have fun. No, it fell. Cool. Pretty cool. Celebi is pretty cool. I like Celebi. Okay. No hits, guys. So this is the only hit that we got. And it's pretty cool. It is really cool. I do like it. Guys, thank you for tuning in to this video. Like I said, we're gonna keep on making some more videos. Next week I'll open the other 4, and I'm just clearing up the little bit of bulk that we got. Hopefully you like this video. I know it's a little long, but hey, enjoy the video, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.